Hey guys, a quick video over here to show the capabilities of the Synapcore database. As soon as you open it after a fresh install, um, what I always suggest and you show it to, besides reading the documentation manual, if you want to have an idea how the system works on different disciplines or different verticals in the market, you can go yourself to recipes. So when you open the system, you're going to see this, the overview, either this, or you might actually see the splash screen, right? Giving you introduction to Synapcores and giving you kind of like a few teasers on recipes, right? So you have the hello world and whatnot. So those are really good to follow really quick, or you can actually go in recipes. There are 160 recipes, all certified to run on the platform. And the nice thing about this is that every single day, we either from the community, from the GTMs, or in Discord, people are actually building their own and sharing it with space. We have what you call browse online. You can click on it, and there you can see that you have 215 published recipes, and then you can actually search for any industries. Like let's see, marketing. Here's one really good: performance marketing through ROAS. And basically, if you want to bring it onto your system, you just click on import, and it brings it straight to your system. And then it will validate it, making sure that everything is compliant to run the system. And you can see the entire schema and the seeding database and all the models, everything, capabilities are in here. Then just to run the recipe, click on run recipe, and you're good to go. Thank you guys.